Rider number 9, Andreu Lacondeguy. 3, 2, 1. Where's he going?
So going long on that start step down, but carrying the speed we know him to carry, throwing dust. As soon as you think he's out of control, you remember who you're talking about right now, and you go, no, that's just how he rolls. Now he's gonna make his way over to this double drop. You saw Remy Metallier ride, and he'll quickly deviate into his unique section. And here it comes. Here's where things are going to start to get tricky. Flat spin 450. Oh, a little bit short, but linking it right into the backflip. Now getting on those brakes because he's got another steep drop. I can't stress how difficult it is to slow down and compose yourself for this section. Now we've seen a lot of cases here, but Andreu extends the Superman, flips the step.
No way!
Andreu Lacondeguy, one more opportunity for a big trick, a flat spin, 450 looking back. Look at that.
Sticks it right in the corral. Lacondeguy taps into a 6th gear here at the 2018 Rampage. What a run. Speed management, finesse, progression, had the tech. And we talk about those sections where we're seeing all the dust, all the roost. Just break down just how difficult, the subtlety of that.
Thanks for watching Red Bull Bike. Make sure you subscribe and check out more content below. Got it?
How are you not scared on the edge of that rock?
I am scared.